I tried Cryptonator wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Cryptonator wallet app, I wasn't expecting much. It's been around for a while, and many people overlook it for newer crypto wallets. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Cryptonator might still be one of the simplest and most practical wallets for everyday users if you know its limits. The setup was fast, just an email and password, no complicated recovery phrases or seed words. Within minutes, I had access to a wallet that supported Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dash, and over 10 other cryptocurrencies. For beginners, this simplicity is refreshing. Most people get this wrong. They think you need a decentralized wallet to stay safe. But Cryptonator uses a hybrid approach. It's a custodial wallet, which means they hold your funds and handle the blockchain part for you. It's not ideal for large holdings, but for small, everyday use, it's actually convenient. During my test, I sent and received Bitcoin and even converted it to Litecoin using the built-in exchange. The transactions were fast and fees were reasonable. I also liked how the app displays balances in your local currency, so you always know the real-world value of your crypto. The downside, though, is that being custodial means you're trusting Cryptonator with your assets. It's best for small transactions, not long-term storage. Still, its simplicity, multi-coin support, and smooth conversion system make it perfect for beginners or casual users. By day 7, the shocking truth became clear: Cryptonator isn't competing with high-end wallets like MetaMask or Trust. Instead, it's focused on accessibility and ease. If you're just stepping into crypto and want a straightforward, no-hassle experience, Cryptonator delivers exactly that. It's not the flashiest app, but it's quietly stood the test of time for one simple reason: it just works.